crazy, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet. I'm being polite. You did crazy, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet. I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, don't
Ice cubes up in my cup. If it's spice, one pour it up.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John, the at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be talking about is how you can stay profitable whilst trading gold. So I know what happens a lot of the time, people wait for their setups and they get into a thing where, you know, they're going to enter a trade and they're expecting it to win all the time. But what you need to do is set up some type of buffer for yourself so that when the trade does come into play, which should be your correct trade, therefore you're not going back too many steps in terms of your risk to reward. So to explain this better, I'm going to head over into the charts and let you know how you can do this best. I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Let's get straight into the video.
Starting from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so you can see right now I'm on my gold chart. This is a chart that I do post in my Discord, so you can head over to my Discord. The link is in the description below. And I post this chart up a lot. Any amendments that's going to be on this chart, I will also put in the Discord, in the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory area. You just have to go on the tabs on the side. You'll be able to find it. I've also lately been giving out a couple of call outs on gold. You know, if there is a trade set up, then I will give a call out. If there isn't one in the day, then there isn't one in the day. If I haven't posted, it's probably because there isn't a trade set up in the day. So you don't have to worry too much. So when we do pay attention to what gold could be doing at the moment, we can see that gold is in a bit of a range right now. I did tell people that there would be a possible buy from this area down here, which was a liquidity wick on a higher time frame. This is why this is grayed out. So I did explain to people that price action is going to break through here, and if it does want to continue, then we're looking at it going down towards this level here, which is about 1680, and we should see some type of reaction off of there. Now this was fantastic because if we go down the time frame, we actually did get an entry alert for a trade here. So let's even go further down into the 15-minute. And we had an entry alert on gold right here. And this is the trade that you can see in the beginning of the video when it's showing the pip count. And right there. So now you can see how I've started to post more trades on gold again, because gold has got to an area where I expected it to, all the way from the top down to this area before I wouldn't be trading it. So this is Trinity as well, the alert system, which is absolutely fantastic. And this was a 13 risk to reward ratio trade. So therefore this was a beautiful trade to set you up in order for you to be in a position to have enough money saved for what I'm going to explain next. Now Trinity gave the alert right here, and Trinity, it isn't a signal group. People need to understand that. I think people are trying to, the expectation of Forex is kind of all over the place, and you really need to put this down into a understanding for yourself. Trinity is an alert-based system. So when the market actually broke structure here, we can see the market broke out of structure. Trinity gave you an alert when this breakout happened here. It didn't give you one here, it gave you one here. Sometimes it could be here, other times it could be up here. But this time it gave you one right here. All you have to do is put your stop loss below this level here, and then you'll take profit on market structure. The highest point I can see straight away from market structure would have been up here. But what I do advise people to do when they get a Trinity alert is at least try and go for 1 to 4 setups. So you can use this short and long tool on TradingView. If you've got any problems with that, you can direct message me. I can send you a video which the people who made TradingView explain how you can use this tool. So nobody else is going to explain it better than the creators of the actual software. So you can get the link to that video. I will put in the description of this video as well. If you've got a problem, direct message me. When you get a Trinity alert, all you have to do is come over to TradingView, get your long and short tool. This will be a long tool, because we're looking for buys. Wherever the entry was, start it from there, put your stop loss at the last low, and then your take profit should be at least a 4 risk to reward ratio. Reason why I'm saying this is because if we're wrong, it gives us 3 more attempts at trying to get it right to get back to break even with our capital that we have invested in Forex. Or we might be able to get it beforehand, which means therefore we can still be profitable by 1 or 2, depending on how many attempts it took us to become Right. So what would have happened here on this first entry that I've given you from my swing trading of gold, you would have been profitable and you would have banked money. You definitely would have hit a 1 to 4. If not, you would have hit a 13 RR in this trade, which is absolutely crazy. So now you've banked a whole bunch of money here. What you don't do is try and use that money trading all of this noise here. This is what a lot of people do, and this is what causes them problems, especially if they're trying to trade like me. I'm not trading any of these trades. I'm giving these trades out in my Discord if people want to take it, but I'm not trading any of these trades because I don't need to. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for price action to get back to 1680, then look for another attempt at a buy. So this means that if I'm wrong, think of this as a video game. Every single time I'm wrong, I'm losing 1 from this. So now if I'm wrong and it goes to 1680 again, I basically won this trade at a 12. If I'm wrong again, then I won this trade at an 11. And if I'm wrong again, so on. I won this trade at a 10. So I've got like 12 attempts now of getting this trading setup correct for myself, just based on the fact of me working on simple risk to reward and price action with an alert based setup, which was Trinity. People have to understand trading is not complex. Don't listen to everybody else trying to tell you have to follow this and that and need this and that. Price is going to go to an area and it's going to bounce off that area. It's either going to reject from that area or it's not. It's really that simple. Instead of me trying to use 1,000,000 attempts at this area here, really, I would probably only use another 1. If it doesn't respect this area, what it most likely will do is do this. So more than likely what we'll see happening is price breaking down further. And I won't look for another buy on gold unless I see the market coming down to this level here, which is right here around about 1573. So let's move this down a bit more. So about 1573 is where I'm going to be looking for my next buy, because that is another level of market structure I've marked out on a higher time frame. In my previous gold video, you'll see this video pop up now. I've marked all these levels and shown you why I'm looking at these levels. So I'm not going to go over them again in this video. And you can see my next levels down here. So remember, like a video game, I've got 13 attempts between 3 levels, literally. So when the market comes to here, I'm going to look for a buy. When Trinity gives me an alert for a buy on Telegram, I'm going to enter my trade, put my stop loss at the last low and get a 1 to 4 trade or more risk to reward. When it goes down here, I'm going to do the same thing. What this has done for me is what I explained in this video at the beginning. This trade setup over here has created a buffer for me. I did the same exact thing when I caught the sell from the top. I created myself buffers as I was going up with the buys and when we caught this sell. So by the time it got up here, or whatever trades lost over here, before we got to this maximum sell value from here, guess what? I was protected on my account. So therefore, this is how you can stay profitable whilst trading gold or whilst waiting for your setup to occur. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. If you've got any more questions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And you can also get into my Discord to ask me more questions. If you want to get into any of my services, make sure you go to the Easy Forex information section in Discord. I've got loads of services there that can help you out. Copy trading, signals, everything is in there. Just let me know. Hit me up on Discord or Telegram, which is at BigJohn_BK on Telegram, and you will get any information you need. Right now, it's your boy Big John, and I'm signing out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.